Next, we will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of the landfill. So, in this, the main advantage is the safety and disposal method, and it will be very cleaner, and to make the safer and the less with the diseases and the low potential to the harm to both humans and animals. So, this landfill plays a very vital roles. When it is done right, the waste managed can also be conserve energy and reduce the dangerous deforestation, including the cutting down the trees for the paper productions. There is a many advantages in this landfilling. So in this process is not always the cost effective, and the process is not always the harmful, and it has been very useful. In this, burying can be produce energy by the conservation of the land gas like the methane and the carbon dioxide. And the second one, the landfill, the by the products can be used for the direct and indirect fuel for the combustion. So in Germany there is a bioreactor landfill, so that energy is being used to production of the gases which is being generated from this landfill. So that is what the energy which can be used, and easy monitoring due to the specific location. And the fourth one is can be reclaimed, and it can be used for the parks and farming land. And the recycled materials can be used for clothing, and the organic material, the whatever bit is been separated and used for the composite, and the product, and this composite can be used for the agricultural product and the agriculture for the increasing the fertility in the soil. And it is also, and it is being used for the production of the natural gases. And it is very relatively, it is very cheap. So monitoring and maintenance charge cost is very low in this landfilling. So next we'll talk about disadvantage. So disadvantage is problem faced when poorly designed or which is being poorly operated, and the area surrounding the landfill become heavily polluted. So dangerous chemicals can be sweep out into the groundwater. That is a leachate. The leachate can be chances of mixing with the groundwater, so groundwater will be get polluted. So that is the disadvantage. And many insects and the rodents can be attracted to this landfill, can resulted in the dangerous diseases. So in some cases, these rats can move inside, and so through that the dangerous gases or any leachates can easily come out of this landfill. So that is the dangerousness. So and the surrounding of the landfill should avoid the trees. So these trees, when it their roots, when it pass through uh, the ground, so chances of moving the passing through whatever the sheets, high density polyethylene sheets, whatever we used to avoid the movement of the leachate from the landfilling to the groundwater. So that can be after over a period of time that may be uh, corroded or washed away. So at that time, so the chances of moving these roots on over the this high density polyethylene sheets, so there is a chances of movement of the leachates. And if there is any leakage in the gases, the whatever the energy, the conserved energy which it has to be used for an proper utilized for the production of the gas or production of the energy or any power, so that can be, it will be wasted. So properly it has to be maintained, and properly it has to be monitored. uh, so that is what the disadvantage. Apart from that, in this process, it is not the resultant products have the shortest life. See, whatever the which has been product produced in this landfill, it is a very short life. Okay, it is not a longer duration. So only whatever the product it is there, what is the amount of the solid waste is there, to that much amount of the gases will be released. Consider 10%, 15% of the total solid mass, whatever it is there, to that amount it will be released. Okay, so that is what the product will be very less. And this needs globally there should be buy-in. Whatever the products are there, that globally it has to be purchasing should be there. Consider if you take a manure from which has been produced from the landfilling, that should be globally it has to be purchased. And another is the sites are often more, sometimes it has been dangerous, practically or not done, it can be done uniformly where there is a landfill is there, which has been undulation. In such cases it can be done. In flat land it is very costly, and maintenance and removing the soil, it's all it will go some it will be charges more. So that's why a landfill undulation ground is required. It is very, in such cases it will be very easy to operate and easy to maintain. So uniform ground it will be a little bit costly and little bit higher in charges. So waste management can cause the some more problems, but in the other cases it is not a much problem. So that is what the disadvantage of this landfill.